Now welcome to this our news channel. If you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, I beg make una go subscribe. And if you don't subscribe, don't forget to turn on the notification bell where you dey collect first class information from us. And if you don't do this too, I beg don't forget to tell your friends, tell family, make they also subscribe, make they also dey hear wetin dey sup. Now be small shalaye dey happen for this our entertainment industry. We not come know whether to do good na bad thing again, no. Because if we not do good, they go say we bad. We do good, they go turn to bad thing again. All of us remember this popular actress where they call Ruby Ojako. Why they come meet her say I beg where you help her take care of your pikin, no. Say I beg, enough take care of this pikin alone. They're not they manage for village. Not do my reason. I can say okay, no problem. She come, she go they assist me for hers. They help me they do hers choice. It never reached 4 days where this girl take come that house. This girl cook indomie and egg for this actress pikin wey chop. As the cook can finish, she can't flit the indomie. Flit so they take the kill mosquito, kill cockroach. You can't flit some for the food 3 times. As she don't finish, she can't put her for table. Can't say where the girl can't chop. He don't know say the mother of this child, their room, they watch her. Because she come from village now. She don't know what they call CCTV camera. She don't know say CCTV camera, they around the whole 4 corner of the house. To the kitchen, to the parlor, to the room. All the camera, they observe all the things where they happen. Now say the mama take catch and does they observe the girl as she dey cook the indomie, as she don't do everything, and as she can't take this spray that this thing. Then she take jump comot for bed, or as he call the pikin where he come chop, come go meet the girl say, wetin happen? You wan kill my pikin? Wetin my pikin do you? My people not be small matter oh. My question now can be say, I wish this woman now not dey watch this thing where they saw. Maybe she not there around, or maybe she there around but she not there, because you need to look your CCTV camera, you need to look TV to know wetin dey happen. She not just the monitor, she just feel reluctant waiting for happen. Now so the pikin for take die, well we thank God say na so e reach oh. This woman now she still there in shock because she not know wetin the small pikin do that girl. If you see the girl na still small girl oh. I go play on the video make una watch, make una see for una self. Say even if as you dey do good, you need to dey very very careful, because this world that we dey, now God, only God forever now dey help person oh. Hey people, now the video be this oh. This one na the actress they call Ruby, and that one na the girl for ground. She need down the beg her madam. She now they explain say wetin she do, whether na bad thing she do. Say na bad thing, say she carry this girl come help her. Make una watch the video, make una hear am for una self oh.
So why are you trying to poison royalty? What did this child do to you? Huh? A child you're supposed to love. You don't know. I love you. Leave her. I don't know what to do to this child. I don't know what to do to her. Huh? You want to kill my child? Hey! Why are you trying to poison her? Why? I was in my CCTV camera. Okay, you don't know I have it. They brought you from the village. You don't know the work of CCTV. You don't know. Hey! Jesus Christ. Hey! I said, oh my God. See, I will call your mother. You are going back to the village. I will call your mother. They will come and take you back. So my goodness. God loves me.
Because why did you do it now? Why?
God loves me. God loves me. God loves me. What if I was not at home? Is this what I'll be talking about? Hey! No, in fact, you will not spend the night in the house today. You are going today. I don't want to touch you. I don't want to touch you so that if you dare touch me, because I don't want to touch you. If I touch you, I'll be fat there.
As now that was the video finish, I would like to know una own opinion concerning this matter. Make una drop una opinion for comment section, and make una not forget to share when people know wetin dey happen around for this world, so that we ourselves will go dey very very careful. Until we meet again for another entertainment news, make una stay safe oh, my people. Una do.
Fire when the storm hits you.
That's it, friend.